three technologies will be disruptive for our industry will be next generation sequencing, the use of big data, and the development of precision diagnostics. Well, the key driver will be the next generation sequencing platforms, either for DNA sequencing or for RNA sequencing, in my opinion, because they can really decide how to treat patients, but also how to diagnose patients and do follow-up of these patients. I think the industry by itself is very innovative, because at the end of the day they wanted to bring new technology to the market for profit, of course. So they are the key drivers of the innovation, but we also heavily rely on close collaborations with academic centers. So in our country, here in Switzerland at least, there's a couple of good examples where the industry, particularly in the biopool area, are closely working with universities here in Lausanne, like EPFL for example. They have very good close collaboration agreements. My company, Novigenix, is basically at the forefront of the new technologies. There are many companies working in the same space as we do on next generation sequencing, but we are really focusing on the use of white blood cells, harassing the white blood cells and coming up with new innovative tests to diagnose and treat patients. Yeah, the example using the NGS platforms are predominantly based in the United States. There's not a single company out there, there's more companies out there using that technology, but one of the key drivers today is adopted biotechnologies. And if I look at an alternative on the European market, I need to refer then to a company here in Lausanne called Sophia Genetics. Yeah, that's a difficult question, because as the industry, you're not allowed to advertise whether it's treatment or whether it's the use of diagnostics, at least on the European market. If you go to the US market, there are more options for the industry, both for pharma and for diagnostics, to reach out to patients. So in Europe, you predominantly have to go through the patient advocacy groups in order to reach out to the patients. I think the only example on the European market is, like I stated, working with the patient advocacy groups for specific disease indications as an industry.